He was pecking at your feet.
Yeah, he pecked on my toe.
He touched you?
Yeah.
It hurt. It hurt. I'm taking a video. Oh, whoa, whoa. Why y'all so scared?
Tell him to go that way.
He don't want to come after me, you know? Cause he know I'm a crazy one.
Go that way. Come on, Ryan. If you're afraid of stay right down the steps, Desmond. Oh, he is
gorgeous. What you doing? Get on him.
He's not gonna bother you.
The bird went right past me. He probably tried to nip me. Didn't you see that bird go past me? Come here. Go back to Auntie. He coming? Yep.
Bother you. I got you in my arms, okay?
No, Desmond can hold on by himself. You don't have to hold on to him.
Desmond is afraid.
Come on, Dusty. He going somewhere. Come on,
He coming for your feet, Auntie. Come on, Ryan, go to Auntie. Still coming, go to Auntie. See, he coming. Hey, we got a stalker. He likes us. I wonder what David would have done. Ryan, go to Auntie.
Come on, Ryan.
Stop messing with the bird.
He's some kind of peacock. See right there?
Yeah.
Are you still taking a video?
Yeah. Oh no, the bridge is slippery when wet. Come on. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Birdie. Me. Yeah. Yeah, now come on.